the Sealey LED3604 range of rechargeable 360-degree inspection lamps. These unique and innovative lamps incorporate a 360-degree swivel and tilt function, enabling the light source to be positioned in any direction. This exclusive patented design is owned by and registered to Sealey. Each lamp houses 16 super bright SMD LEDs, providing up to 600 lumens through the adjustable rotary switch, and a 1-watt LED directional torch too. Their slimline design has a minimum thickness of 9mm, allowing you to illuminate areas a conventional inspection lamp cannot reach. They feature a single hanging hook and a magnetic base, allowing hands-free operation, and a battery level indicator. They utilise a high-quality 2.6 amp-hour 3.7 volt lithium-ion battery, and when they need recharging, simply plug the lamp into a suitable power supply using the LED3604's high-quality braided USB lead. They're available in 3 colours: black, green and red. The Sealey LED3604 range of rechargeable 360-degree inspection lamps. More excellent additions to the extensive Sealey range.